Stuart Robinson NYU explores the question, are colleges preparing students for the real world? These days, the role of colleges in preparing students for life after graduation has come under scrutiny. Many wonder if colleges truly equip students with the skills and knowledge needed to succeed in the real world. The primary purpose of college education is to provide students with a well-rounded foundation that prepares them for personal and professional success. Beyond academic knowledge, colleges aim to cultivate critical thinking, creativity, communication skills, and the ability to work effectively in teams. Additionally, colleges are expected to instill values such as ethics, leadership, and social responsibility, which are essential for navigating the complexities of the real world. Critics argue that colleges often prioritize academic knowledge over practical real-world skills, leading to a gap between what students learn in the classroom and what they need in the workforce. While theoretical knowledge is valuable, it is often insufficient to ensure success in a competitive job market. To address this criticism, colleges are re-evaluating their curricula to ensure students are equipped with the skills needed to succeed in the real world. This includes incorporating more hands-on learning experiences, such as internships, research projects, and collaborative assignments that allow students to apply theoretical concepts in practical settings. By balancing academic knowledge and real-world skills, colleges can better prepare students for the challenges and opportunities they will encounter in their future careers. Colleges provide extensive support and resources to help students transition from academia to the workforce. Career services officers are often equipped with career counselors who offer personalized career planning, resume writing, and interview preparation guidance. Additionally, career services officers often organize workshops and seminars on networking, job search strategies, and professional development, providing students with valuable insights and skills to succeed in the job market. Furthermore, colleges offer a range of resources to connect students with potential employers. Job fairs, career expos, and networking events allow students to meet recruiters from various companies and industries. Besides technical skills, colleges also focus on developing students' soft skills, recognizing their crucial role in career success. Soft skills, such as communication, teamwork, and adaptability, are increasingly valued by employers as they contribute to a positive work environment and effective collaboration. Moreover, soft skills are not only valuable in a professional setting, but also in personal life. Effective communication, for example, is key to building strong relationships and resolving conflicts at work and in personal relationships. While colleges play a crucial role in preparing students for the real world, there is always room for improvement. By continually adapting to the changing demands of the workforce, colleges can ensure that students are equipped with the skills and knowledge needed to thrive in the real world.